Yes, I can.
I will. Hi, Carol. Good evening. Da, 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 da. Okay, how are you today, Carol? Carol, how are you today?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
Yes, teacher Anne is doing great. Okay, so today I am quite busy because tomorrow we're gonna have our 3-day exams. We're gonna have our periodical tests exam tomorrow. So Anne is quite busy. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. How's the weather in Vietnam now? Is the weather very good or
The
no?
weather in Vietnam is very good. It is windy.
Oh, wow, that's great. Okay, in my country it rains a lot. So
Oh,
today it will rains a lot. So we have heavy rain and then it did not stop until in the afternoon. But then everything goes out well, like in the at 4 p.m. day.
how about you and your family?
My family, it's okay. We're doing great, Carol.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I will share to you, Carol, this one. Okay, wait na. Going to talk about movie. Okay, what is your most movie, Carol? The one your most favorite movie is?
I can see the screen.
Okay, so this one. A movie. What is your most favorite movie? The one you like the
My
most.
favorite movie
Your favorite movie is?
is car
It
is
is
cartoons.
cartoons. Okay, why do you
It
like
is car
cartoons? Cartoons. Why do you like cartoon?
because it is funny.
It is funny. Okay. So, who is your most favorite cartoon character? Do you know cartoon character?
Yes, yes, I do.
Okay, who is that most favorite cartoon character?
The char the character
Mm-hmm.
who
Like,
are
yeah. So, you watch cartoon
I
character in the Disney? Okay, how about Disney princess? Do you like Disney princess like Cinderella? Do you like them? Rapunzel? Do you like? Do you like the one I mentioned? Rapunzel, Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, or they are
I
Disney
like
princess.
Cinderella.
You like Cinderella. Okay, the story of Cinderella is very nice, right? It's very nice. Okay. So we're talking today about movie. Okay. So we have here different.
Yes.
So we have casts. Okay. So casts are the people, okay, who are part of the movie. Character. Okay, the main character or the lead character or the villain in the movie. Cinematographer. Okay, you know this cinematographer? Take
Yes.
video, take photos. Cameraman, the one who takes photos. It's from the word camera. Another is
Background.
background. Okay, and director, the director. And of course, we have the entertainment. And of course, the extra. And the film review. Okay.
Review.
So, yes, they are the different or they are the different film, okay, words under the vocabulary. So the different words. Okay, we have film review, extra, entertainment, director, background, cameraman, cinematographer, character, and casts. Now, here. So another one, we have the plot. Okay, the scene, the screen, scriptwriter, okay, movie star, movie maker, main actor and actress, producer, trailer. So they are all part of the movie. Okay, they're all part when we walk or when we try to watch a movie. Okay. So the plot, the scene, the screen, the scriptwriter, the movie star, the movie maker, the main character or actor or the actress, producer, the one who produced the movie, the trailer. Okay, when you watch the movie, oh my God, it's so, it's so scary. Oh, that's the trailer part. Oh, you all gonna be excited. You all gonna be produce you will gonna be excited and you will gonna be produce something like you scared a lot.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, you're back. Okay, so we are here. So again, these are the different words that we can find when we try to watch a movie. Okay, so here now, types of movie, we have different types of movie. Of course, we have action movie, adventure movie, cartoons. Oh, you're familiar with this. Comedy. What is comedy? What do you think is comedy for you?
It
Do you know
is
what is
funny.
comedy? Comedy is what?
Comedy is funny.
Okay, it's funny movie. Okay, of course.
A funny movie.
It's a funny movie. Of course. Okay, another is, how about drama movie?
I don't know drama movie.
Mm.
I don't know.
A funny movie? It is funny. Okay, funny movie like comedy. Drama movie. Do you know drama movie?
No, I don't.
No, you don't. Okay.
I
Next.
I never watch drama movie.
Mm-hmm. And of course, documentary. Do you know documentary?
Yes, I do.
A documentary is
It's about document.
okay. Okay. Another is horror movie. Okay. Are you familiar with horror movie? Are you
Yes, I
familiar?
am.
Okay. So you're familiar with horror movie.
I like horror movie
Oh, wait, why? You like horror movie? Why you like horror movie?
because I think horror movie is scary.
Horror movie is
Horror movie is scary. Scary.
scary. It's scary, not scary. It's scary.
Scary.
Boy. Okay, next is historical
And
movie. Are you familiar with historical movie?
no,
What
my
is historical
family
movie?
never watch historical movie.
Okay, never watch historical movie. Okay. Next we
Yes.
have, okay, musical movie. Do you know musical movie?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Okay. So
My
another, your
family
favorite?
likes musical. Yes,
Favorite?
musical movie.
Okay, that's musical movie. Okay. Next is science
My,
fiction.
my family.
Sci-fi. Do you know sci-fi or science fiction movie? It is about,
No, I don't.
okay, you don't. Science fiction. It is about science. Uh, it's about like planets. It's about star. It's about moon and everything. Okay, it is science movie. Okay, it is science fiction movie. Okay, it's tragedy movie. Tragedy movie. Chatra tadi. Okay. Tragedy movie is, what is tragedy movie? It is about what happened.
How should
Example, there's an accident. Okay, you met an accident and there's a movie and a lot of people died. That is tragedy movie. Okay, we call it tragedy movie. Okay. Next one, shocking. So these are the words.
shocking?
Shocking. Oh, do you know the word shocking? Oh my God.
Yes,
I
I
was so
do.
shocked.
Oh,
Okay, like that. Okay, entertaining. Do you know the word entertaining?
yes, I do.
Okay. What is entertaining for you? Entertaining is what? It means you.
Entertaining.
Okay, what is entertaining for you?
Entertaining helps me relax.
Okay, help you relax. Okay, next is musts. How about confusing? Confusing.
Confusing is like I don't know.
Okay, confusing, it means you feel confused. Okay, another is must see. What do you mean by must see, Moy? What do you mean by must see movie?
Must see movie.
Yes.
Must see is the film. Is the the film is so interesting. The film is interesting. So people
Mm-mm.
must see it.
Okay. Okay, must see, it means it's interesting to see. You have, this is a must see movie. Okay, another disappointed. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Mm.
It's disappointed is mean you are
Okay. Disappointed, it means you don't like it. You disappoint, feel sad because you're disappointed. Okay? Boring. What do you mean by boring? What do you mean by the word boring? Oh, that's so boring. I don't like it.
yeah. Boring is mean you don't have anything to do.
Okay, so it means you don't have anything to do. Okay? So another one. Okay. So these are the different common sentences. A common, it means when you ask what's on at the cinema, is there anything good and at the cinema, what this film all about, like that. Have you seen it? Okay, so these are common questions. The common questions that you can find or you can check. Okay, another one we have common sentences. Okay. Oh, it's a thriller. It's in the French. It's with English subtitles. It has been released. It's been out for about 2 months already. It's meant to be good. Okay, so those are the common sentences. Okay, another one. Giving comments. What did you think? Okay. So you will give comments what you will gonna say. Oh, what did you think about this? Oh, I enjoyed a lot. It was great. It was really good. It wasn't bad. I thought it was rubbish. It was one of the best film I've seen for ages. Okay. Now, so here giving comments. Oh, it has a good plot. The plot was quite complex. It was too slow moving. It was very fast. So these are the comment. These are the things, Carol, that you want to say. Example, I will ask you. When you watch a movie and it's very, very scary, what will you say? Example, what will you say? Chill, sumana ka doon? Mana? Sure ka?
Say,
Hotel ibang terma. Okay. It was
I
very
say,
fast. You see that?
I say, oh my God.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Say,
Okay. Now getting ready. Please try to answer this one.
finish, teacher.
Okay.
I am finished.
B. Very good. 4. A and of course comedy. Wow, very good. So when we see romance, it's about movie that tells love story. When you see Western, it's a movie about the West of United States. Very good. Okay. Okay. When you see science fiction, it's a movie about events that takes place in the future in other parts of the universe. Okay, next one. SN.
Page 24. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to the conversations about movies. Conversation 1.
Let's see a movie.
Good idea. What do you want to see?
What about Mediterranean Moon?
Is that a love story?
Yes, about forbidden love.
Conversation 2.
Did you see The Violinist when it was in the theaters?
Yes, I did. Wasn't it great?
It sure was. That's a movie I'll always remember.
Conversation 3.
I'd love to see The Good Catch.
Me too. I heard it was a true story.
It was, and there are some scenes where you can't stop laughing.
Conversation 4.
Let's go to the movies. My Neighbors on Neptune is playing.
What's that about?
Parking problems on a distant planet.
That sounds too strange for me.
Conversation 5.
There's a new movie at the Metro Theater. Want to go?
What is it?
Plants of the Kalahari.
That'll put me to sleep.
Conversation 6.
Let's go see Animal Opera.
What?
Animal Opera. They trained cats and birds to sing famous opera music.
That's stupid. I'd rather see something serious.
Conversation 7.
Have you seen anything good recently? Well, I saw Crazy Horse. Have you seen it? Yes, but I didn't like it. There was too much killing for me.
Okay, one more.
Page 24. Exercise A. Listening comprehension. Listen carefully to the conversations about movies. Conversation 1.
Let's see a movie.
Good idea. What do you want to see?
What about Mediterranean Moon?
Is that a love story?
Yes, about forbidden love.
Conversation 2.
Did you see The Violinist when it was in the theaters?
Yes, I did. Wasn't it great?
It sure was. That's a movie I'll always remember.
Conversation 3.
I'd love to see The Good Catch.
Me too. I heard it was a true story.
It was, and there are some scenes where you can't stop laughing.
Conversation 4.
Let's go to the movies. My Neighbors on Neptune is playing.
What's that about?
Parking problems on a distant planet.
That sounds too strange for me.
Conversation 5.
There's a new movie at the Metro Theater. Want to go?
What is it?
Plants of the Kalahari.
That'll put me to sleep.
Conversation 6.
Let's go see Animal Opera.
What?
Animal Opera. They trained cats and birds to sing famous opera music.
That's stupid. I'd rather see something serious.
Conversation 7.
Have you seen anything good recently? Well, I saw Crazy Horse. Have you seen it? Yes, but I didn't like it. There was too much killing for me.
Okay? So write just write the answer 1 to 7.
I am finished, teacher.
Okay, what?
Sure.
Okay? So what is the answer for now? The answer for number 1. What is the answer? You can choose your answer here. Here.
I am finished, teacher.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait ha. Okay, number 1 is, okay. Funny, romantic. 2, the violinist was unforgettable. 3, the good catch. Funny, weird, boring, silly, and crazy horse. Okay, next one. Okay. You read the DVD box labels and write the genre of each movie. Example, this one, okay? This is documentary. What genre? It is horror. Oh, what else? Love story. Okay. Documentary. Okay, so these are the genre. Please read.
Mẹ ơi, con đang học mà em cứ lại phá con kìa. I am finished, teacher.
Okay, what is the answer number 2? Yeah, hey, wait ha. Oh, this is, it's horror.
Horror.
Yes, okay, that's horror. Another one is,
Comedy.
okay, next is, okay, next. Okay, next is, wait ha, comedy. Oh, it's hilarious. From the word hilarious, it's comedy.
Movie.
Yes. Next, we have tango. What is this? This is? It's number 4. What is number 4?
Music.
Number 4 is?
Music soul movie. Music soul. Musical. Musical movie.
Okay, it's musical movie. Very good. It's musical movie. Okay, make notes about 2 movies you recently watched. Example ha. Oh, wait, Carol. The Zoom and please join again ha. Okay, please join again.